Last winter, I made the best decision of my life, choosing JOY HVAC to install my heating system. The team was incredibly professional and installed everything so quickly. They even explained how to use the system efficiently. I was surprised at how much I saved on my energy bills. My heating system is efficient and reliable. My home stayed warm and comfortable, no matter how cold it got outside. It was the best feeling. I would absolutely recommend JOY HVAC. They delivered exactly what they promised and more. If you want to stay warm and save money this winter, call JOY HVAC. It's a decision you won't regret.